everyone, we are day 3 or Sunday 3 on the Focus. If you've watched the last couple of videos, we've repaired this chassis leg here, new crash bar, just got this landing panel yesterday. A few things are different from the old one, this snorkel, so we're going to change that for the one that was on the original. And basically the original one just broke in all the weak spots here, all designed to break away in an impact. Yeah, so it's the stage now of trying to put it all back together. Everything lined up absolutely A1 on it, so good job by the welders who put the leg in. And yeah, we'll catch up in a minute. So we've got the battery box back in, wiring back in, fuse board back in. We just need to put this top panel back on now. Relocate all these cables, crash sensor, etc, etc. And then hopefully start getting the headlights and that back in. Let's see what it looks like after that. Cool. Right, so we've just done the battery box, fitted all that, as you've just seen. Now we've put this landing panel back on. This crash switch here, let's try and get a bit of a shot of it, where my finger is, which goes through that bolt there. This was cut off the old one, or sorry, the replacement, when we bought this landing panel. They just cut this off rather than, so someone might want a crash switch. Got one there. So it's a case now of everything lined up perfectly. These two bolts, the bolts here, these bolts here with the adjustable parts on it. Probably about another hour's work there, but we've got headlights in, all the air intakes in, top, bottom, air box, battery tray, fuse box. Just about to put the bumper back on, and the bonnet, and connect power up, and see whether all the airbags detonate. We'll be back in a minute. So we just put everything back on, all the electricals in. We're going to try and go for a start. There we go. Up some runnings. Got any warning lights?
Just handbrake, that's it.
Sorry mate?
Just handbrake, that's it.
Just handbrake?
Yeah, and fuel.
Handbrake and fuel. All running. We will do a scan and a service on the car, but yeah. Do you want to try the headlights, mate? That one. Right. Close door. Close the door. Window down. Flash. Main lights, so that one's not working. Flash. So the car has got its full face back on, bonnet and everything all lined up nicely around the headlight. We've got this bit of trim to put on here, but Somebody had put this on with a hot glue gun instead of a clip, so we've got to try and rake all that out and then put it on properly. Yeah, all looking pretty good. So we've just tested all the headlights, everything works nicely. Only that headlight, what was damaged, has got all normal bulbs in it, and the previous owner had put the bluey effect ones in or whatever. So we're going to have to match the two up. Hopefully the bulbs in the old one are okay, but they're not exactly xenons or whatever, so it shouldn't cost a fortune to get done. But yeah, we're almost there. There she is, all up and running, back on all four wheels. Little bit of cut polishing to do, tiny bit of paintwork to this new bumper here. We're going to have to get that blown in and smart repair or something, but other than that, all seems to be working a treat. We had to swap those headlight bulbs around like I said, but that's all done now. Yeah.